Okay, we're going to go over how to draw the T-Rex on the iPad. I'm using Procreate, which is like 10 bucks. It's easy. It's super, one of the cheapest, best programs you can get for drawing. And I'm using an Apple Pencil. This is going to be for beginners, so that's pretty much all you need to know. Let's get started, okay? It's going to take no longer than like 8 minutes. So I'm going to teach you the easiest way to draw a T-Rex head, okay? We can do the whole body too, but let's just go over the head first. Go over here to the layers, and I have like an empty layer. It's going to be the top right hand over here. So you have the layers panel. You can or don't need to use this if you don't want. And I'm going to be using right here, I'm going to be using the cartoon brushes. And I'm picking let me pick a pretty thick standard one, cartoon standard. This is the brush set that I use. You can always go to the link in the description and go pick up the brushes that I'm using, because I use them specifically for cartooning. So let's go over here now. And something I really think about with the T-Rex is kind of that smile that I want for this cartoonier version. So the way I like to do it was I like to do the kind of curve over here for the front of the snout. Let me do it again. So if you want to undo, you press two buttons. So check it out. Let's say I have some right here. Two fingers touch the screen. That's undo. If you want to bring it back, press 3, and then you redo. So undo, redo, undo, redo. Really good, really intuitive stuff. So I'm gonna go over here, curve back for the top of the T-Rex snout. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw another kind of curve shape for the brow right there. I'm thinking of like the brow like that, just like a bump. Let's do a bump over here in the back. It's gonna be the whoops, daisy. It's gonna be a bump in the back over there. And I think the part I really like over here is I wanna make my smile over here end over here. So I'm gonna go over here, and I might even start it a little bit higher than normal, and just kind of do that. You know, I'm gonna pull in, curve underneath, and then back. It's like a ski slope. Curve in. That might be too exaggerated right here. 1 second. That's a cool part. You can keep trying over and over again. Maybe something like that. Line over here, kind of like, you know, the cheek is kind of swelling up a little bit. Curve right there for the eye. Curve right there, kind of a tombstone shape for the eye. Line over here. Maybe we can give it a little bit of a highlight and fill in the rest right there. Line over here, kind of like a grain of rice on the nose. I'm gonna follow this line, and I'm gonna pull it back down. There's always a little bit on the back of the head there. That's a huge mistake people make when they draw dinosaurs. They kind of make it like this, where it goes down like that. He needs like the back of the head here, right? Pulling down here for the lower mouth. Curving back, let me see, pulling underneath, back of the jaw's too long, something like that. And then we got a little bit of a neck here pulled down. Okay, so what's missing? He looks too friendly. What would you think is missing? Don't forget to hit the like button if you like these iPad drawings. I'm getting the eraser here. If you like these iPad drawings, you can also change the size over here, by the way, on the left. See the size, this bar, you move it up and down. You can do it with your finger, and right here is opacity. It's how see-through your brush is. But what was I saying? Yeah, so what is missing, right? He needs to look like a T-Rex. So one of the biggest ways to do that is to have the teeth sticking down, as far as just the head goes, right? And then right here for kind of counter shading, and then we can draw his whole body kind of down here as well. Okay, so that's just the head. Let's kind of move into the whole body, okay, real quick. I'm gonna go over here, add a new layer so we don't see that one anymore. So, and you can always have like different versions of his head. So right now, remember, what did we do, right? Curve for the snout on the front, pulling, you know, just kind of pulling back a little bit. Bump right here for the brow of the eye. Bump over here for the back of the brow of the eye. Gonna go here to the front. Oops, it easy. Pulling over here the smile. Back of the neck. Bump of the back. And then he's just gonna go off the page here. Line out. Gonna go over here, find the front of the mouth, or the bottom part. Curve right here. Curve right here. Curve right here. Alright, you got that jaw. Throat, right? He's got like that neck, right? He eats stuff, and so he kind of has it here a little bit, kind of like we do. Down right here. You can go over here, you can draw like a bendy straw for the arm. Oops. Let's say a V shape right there. And then kind of connect this down here. Then you're going to draw the 2 fingers right there for the hand. He's got 2 fingers. Curve down. Curve here for the giant leg. T-Rexes are theropods, so they kind of stand upright. Line over here. Down over here for the leg that's going to go off the screen. Go over here to the other end. Curve. Down. Oops, it easy. Let's draw a line down over here. And then kind of a line down here for the tail. Gonna go over here. Curve for the eye. Line. Curve right here for the eye. Grain of rice right there for the nostril he's got to have. And then you have the teeth sticking down. That always gives it that predator vibe, right? Which is what T-Rexes were. So line out. 2 fingers. Let's do that far hand right there. Whoops, it easy. What the? Sorry about that. Line over here. Pull in. It's gonna have to. We're gonna have to just make that good enough. And then if you want the counter shading, you can go with a thinner line. See, let's make our line thinner. Down over here, let's say over here. Down over here, line over here. Whoopsie daisy. Line over here. Line right there to kind of give it that different vibe right there, that counter shading. So it'll be light. And you can even color it by going over here, picking that color, just tap on it. Pick, let's just say, a green. Drag it over right there. And it's going to color in whatever area you fill it, right? You just drop. Click and drop. You drag and drop. And let's just say the stomach here will be more of a yellow. Drag, drop. Drag, drop. Drag, drop. I hope that was easy for you. I want to thank you very much. Like I said, go take a look at the Gumroad. I'm going to put the link in the description for the exact brushes that I use. I created them. These are custom brushes for cartooning. One second. For cartooning, right? I had the standard one on. Go take a look. Like, these are on sale. They're I think like they're very cheap. But go take a look at the Gumroad. I'm going to put that link in the description. And yeah. That one's going to really help you out. If you're into Procreate or anything like that, definitely pick it up. And there's a lot of other freebies on that channel, so go take a look. I'll see you in the next video, and I will talk to you very soon, and hope you have an amazing day, okay? See ya.